doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this
who's here now and about to make a mess, but I just finished putting stuff away in his closet. Hi. You're so cute. So let me just show you guys what I did. Have all his tops over there. I organized his jackets, organized his shoes. I might actually put this rain boot away because like look how tiny this is. But he hasn't worn it. It's been in our entryway, so I like wiped it down and now it's just there. And then yeah, all his clothes are here. All his pants are organized, all his blankies. And then I actually emptied out the clothes bin because it had stuff in there from summertime that he never wore because they were just too big. So I have them here now and they're gonna go down in the basement in his bins. But loving his closet. We still didn't put any doors in front of it just because we actually like it open like this. And he's done really well with not digging inside and pulling stuff out. So he's good with that. I don't think I showed you guys this, but let me zoom in here. So I think I talked to you guys before about looking for a keepsake box, and I actually found one that one time I went to Hobby Lobby. So we have one up there now, and I have a few things in there, and then yeah, I think it looks so cute. I'm thinking of actually getting a little basket for over here to put all his hats and gloves in, just so it's all together. And yeah, look at that, so cute. I love all his stuff. And I don't think, what's in here? I think just blankets, yeah, and like extra towels and his face mask. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this blanket, but it is from TJ Maxx and it is the best. They have them in other patterns as well, but I went with the elephants because he loves elephants. But I'm thinking of going back and like getting more because I just love the quality of it. It's like hand knitted and everything. Oh my gosh. Are you reading, babe? Are you reading your ABCs? It's so cute. Oh my goodness. So that's been my morning so far. We actually had quite a big breakfast. I made bacon and eggs this morning. And I'm tired now. I just been like running around doing laundry for Liam because I did mine and Tom's laundry a few days ago. But yeah, I've been running around doing his laundry and like trying to organize his closet. And now, I don't know, we're just gonna chill. Actually, I think I have to answer a few emails now. And then I can get ready for the day. I'm tired already. Like, I feel like I just ran a marathon. Ugh. Hi guys, it is later in the day. I'm gonna pre-film a few videos today in my office. I want to reorganize and declutter, so I'm hoping to do that. But right now, I need to clean the kitchen. I told you earlier, we had quite a big of a breakfast. So we have tons of pots and pans over here, and I also want to clean the stove. And then, of course, we have a ton of dishes. So here's the dishes. There's more in the sink. You can't really see it right now. So that is what I'm about to do. I'm also gonna turn on. Liam is in the bedroom. He's watching. I turned on a movie for him, and he's like laying down because he's about to nap. So yeah, he's watching Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs 2. And for me, while I do the dishes, I'm gonna watch Supernatural. I'm on Season 10, Episode 1. So, I've never watched Supernatural. And I always just like see it on the TV whenever it's on. So, I mean, I would watch that, but I would never know what's happening. So, I decided like I'm gonna completely watch it from the very beginning. And I've been doing that since, I want to say, end of September or something. And yeah, I'm on Season 10 now. So I'm really excited, and I actually really like it. I like these type of shows, like Supernatural, Grimm, being a human, like that kind of thing. Like I like monsters and stuff like that, scary stuff. So even though this isn't that scary, but anyways, yeah. So I'm just gonna watch Supernatural while I do the dishes and pretty much clean the kitchen. It's just kind of a mess. And oh, I want to show you a few things. So we just got a few goodies from Bumpkins. I actually bought a few things from them recently, like the Harry Potter thing or snack bags I bought from them. And I really like the Harry Potter ones because they're just like this material that you can like wipe down and stuff like that. And I think the ones I actually bought are not called snack bags. I think they're more for TSA because they're see-through. These are actual snack bags, and these I believe are their new release. Like this print, it's like Nintendo Super Mario, super cute. So I'm really excited. They sent over the snack bag. They also sent over the super bib, which is amazing. It has like a pocket, so when they're eating and things fall, this can catch it, hopefully. They also sent this one over. We don't have anything like this. This is called the Splat Mat. So you put it pretty much like under where they're eating, so it catches all the food that's been dropped and things like that. So this is like super cool. And again, it has that Nintendo Super Mario print, which Liam saw these and he like loves it. And the last thing they sent over is called the, what is this? The Silicone grip dish. Comes in a box like this. I already took it out because I wanted to see it. And they sent over the blue one, and this literally will stick and everywhere. Like, it's so good. So I love that, and I like how it's sectioned off. They actually have one with 5 sections, so I'm planning on buying that for Liam for Christmas. I also already ordered the spoon and fork that matches this. I'll link that below for you guys. I'll link everything below for you guys if you're wondering or if you're interested. But yeah, I ordered him the spoon and fork that matches this because he only has like all of his spoon and forks. We have this one, which we love because this one like really gets all the food and stuff. And then these we also have because it comes in the packs that we've bought. But we don't really like these ones, especially the fork. It doesn't like poke into the food. He has a hard time with it. So the ones from Bumpkins are like this kind. So I'm excited because he likes these. This is a Peter Rabbit one that I got from like TJ Maxx a few months ago. So yeah, I ordered him a new one, which I'm excited for. And I think I'm gonna get him more for Christmas, like a full set. Again, I want to get him the dish that has like a 5 divider one. And they also have a new thing that like you can put a cover on these. It's like a silicone cover or something like that. Super cool. I want to get that for Liam as well. So yeah, anyways, okay, I have to get going. I've been blabbing for too long. Meanwhile, I'm gonna wipe down the backsplash, and I'm using this one.
All of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean nothing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please give him a ride. I will wait here by the candlelight. All of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean nothing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight.
Show you guys a close-up. Look how nice and clean. Eek! So shiny. Hi. Come here, babe. Why are you running away from me? Liam's grocery shopping. What are you gonna buy, Liam? We have applesauce so far.
Meat counter, telephone line 1, meat counter.
Hey, babe. No touchy. Meow. Yes? Come over here, please. No touching. You keep touching things. Liam, come here. We'll go by the veggies and fruits. Come on. Oh, we'll go this way. Yes, milk. And eggs. Eggs and juice. Look at all the juices. Ew, yeah. Ew, I know. Someone spilled. Ooh, cookie dough. Sugar cookie dough. I didn't know you could just buy it. Tell me how to make some. Okay. Where are we going? That way? We still have to wait for Daddy though. What do you want from over here? Whoa! You want what? Asparagus? Or bell peppers? You can't go in there. Yes, you can go by Daddy. Dada. Oh, he's coming. Okay, here's the before of the fridge. Definitely need to take stuff out. I wish we could just take this out. Can we? Like, I don't know what it's called. That metal piece. These. Right now. What?
I think each one is 8 eggs a piece. But yes, that's cheap. Oh my.
Ew! What was in there? Juice?
Jello, it looks like.
We didn't have
I
Jello.
spilled Jello like a year ago.
Oh my god! Ew, Tom. It went all the way under?
Back when we did the orange fluff. You know how long that's been?
Yeah. Oh my god, ew. Okay, wait to clean that. We need to get in there, like.
Stuff that is not wanting to come off.
It'll come off here. Just spray it some more. Just let it soak. You need a cloth. It's coming off with mine. Look at this.
We never took off.
So Tom took the, I don't even know what that's called, like a divider in the drawer. It just, I mean, we never used the long one, like the long piece. We always used the other one, so it kept the eggs on one side, but we don't really need that, you know. So, yay, we'll see how that goes. I still need to clean the inside of the drawer. I'll show you guys that when it's done. That's what it looks like. All clean. All the way to the back. Like new again. Woohoo! Tom's still working on that one. Liam, are you helping? Yeah, ewy. Say ew. Alright, so this is what I have. So now there's like more room, and actually added this here. And then I have the eggs right here now. I like this much better. I still need to put the fruits and stuff. Forgot to pick up tomatoes. So upset, but we have potatoes, onions, and this bag of spinach. These are berries for Liam. We have garlic, ginger in there, eggs. gloves, I wanted to do a little Target haul. So I ordered these pajamas for us so we can match. I got the women's, it's like a one piece. I think it's like a t-shirt dress, the one that I got. And then I got Liam the flannel set. So it comes with a top and bottom. Tums is not here yet. It's actually back ordered, but I got him pajamas as well. And then these are Liam's. Look how cute these are. Here, babe, you want to put them on? Put them on, baby. Oh, they're a little big, but that's okay. Other one, baby. He's so confused. They're slippers. Put them on your feet. You don't like? So I got those for him, and then I got mine as well. And then these are Tom's. His is a little bit different because I got his last year from Kohl's. It was on clearance for that much. And I just got these because, I don't know, I mean, they're pretty dang close, right? I mean, pretty close. And these were cheaper than the ones at Kohl's. So I was like, well, I'm just going to get the ones from Target. So I'll link all of these below. But hoping to wear them like sometime next week or whenever Tom's pajamas come. And then we can take photos by the tree. And yeah, super cute.